Hello, welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back, welcome back,
Yeah. All right, let's get into this. So about a year ago, is that too old?
Yeah.
Well, I'm still gonna use it. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, let wait. Okay, I'm done.
Every Christmas, all I want for Christmas, all I want for Christmas is you.
Hello, lovely people of the interwebs. How you doing? Welcome back for another day of bait for Christmas. So about a year ago, I had posted this picture on Instagram, and you know, before that, I mean, my Instagram likes weren't as popping, but I feel like that day it was either people missed me posting or I may have just did something. And I'd like to believe that I may have just did something. We want to look flawless, effortlessly, boyishly, cute, and sexy. You understand? Sexy. We're gonna go ahead and get into this base, okay? So the things that I like to use are pretty simple. I like to use stick foundations and a little bit of a liquid when I'm really feeling fancy, you know what I'm saying? But for the most part, my favorite stick foundation of all time, my favorite stick foundation of all time from the drugstore is the Black Opal True Color Stick Foundation, okay? And the reason why I love this thing is because the blendability, A1, it has SPF in it, and it's black focused, and so they really focus in on their complexion products, reaching every single kind of undertone. So I love them for it, and it's cheap, okay? It's only like $9 for each stick. Hello, bargain. What it do? All right, so I'm gonna use the shade Carob to go around my lips because, girl, she a little red, but it makes it perfect for color correcting. So I'm just gonna go ahead, look in my little mirror, you know what I'm saying? Go around the lips a little bit. Hey, here we go. Over there. Catch them blemishes, those little unwanted things that had no business here, especially on the nose, because y'all know my glasses scars are really like battle scars, okay? Right there. Ooh. I'm telling you, just go around the whole entire mouth, change your life, okay? And for the rest of my face, I'm going to be using the shade Au Chocolat. And I'm telling you, when you mix these up together, it's like a dream. Life could be a dream. Shawada wada buda bop buda bop buda bop. Only one that you love. Life could be a dream. Shawada wada hey, shaboonda buda hey. You hit what shots? Kwasia? It's over for what? He said, oh, word, it's over. What is he becoming? What is he becoming? Yo, my face look hella masky, don't it? Like, it looked like a mask. Now, because you only see my neck right now, this looks like it's not my shade. I promise you it is my shade. And we're gonna contour to kind of counteract this pancake face that we got going on right now, To contour, I'm going to be using the Black Opal stick foundation in the shade Ebony Brown. I love this stuff. Huh?
Rest in peace. That's not
I be
funny.
hustling. It's not the fact that like she's dead, it's the fact that you said it right then and there. Go sweat. What we want to do is highlight underneath the eyes. Now when I'm doing this boy beat, I like to take a very, very lightweight concealer because I've already gone over my whole entire face with foundation. And so this is really only to really brighten up and bring light back into the center of the face. And to do that, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline, what is on my face? And to blend all of that out, we're going to use our Sonia Kashuk sponge. Okay, we blend it. We look good. You know what I'm saying? Something lady. Now we're gonna go ahead and set all of this because, girl, you already know I'm already creasing. Okay, sure. Let's actually go under here and like blend because I'm not even joking. I'm already creasing. Okay, there's no pretty way to do this, so just, you know, do what you gotta do and then just work that powder into the skin. The rest of the face, we're gonna take the butt of the sponge and we're just gonna kind of like pack that into the skin. Now that we've packed all of that kind of stuff into the skin, we're gonna go ahead and do the brows. Okay. Okay. Oh, hey, you see my brows? Okay, so now that we have all of that nasty cakey powder off, we're gonna go ahead and take our trusty what do people say? Trusty dandy? Handy dandy. Trusty what? Okay, we're gonna take our handy dandy rose water. We're just gonna spray the face to get rid of all of this powder. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Shake her up. And you basically want to take a bath in this, okay? So for bronzer, I'm gonna use this duo from the brand Nika K, and also a little bit of my Rum Spice bronzer from Black Radiance. I'm just gonna kind of contour the face a little bit more, give it that dimension that we may have lost from powdering the face so much. For highlight, you want to keep it simple but cute. So I'm going to be taking this Jordana Glow and Go. Hold on. For highlight, you want to keep it simple but cute, okay? And what I love is cream to powder formulas. So I'm going to be using this Jordana Glow and Go stick. And we're basically going to pop that all over the face, okay? Literally. So right up here, right above the brows, okay? Right in between the eyes, right here, right in the inner corner, right above the lip, especially above the lip, and right on the top, the tip of the chin, and blend that in. Or you can even use your fingers if you're really feeling fancy. Into the skin, okay? So now that that's blended into my liking, I'm just gonna tell you now, boy or girl, full face, no makeup, I want my highlight to blind my enemies. I needed to blind the eyes of the people that said I will never make it. I needed to shine brighter than the future of the foolish goats that tried to deceive me out of my destiny. I need my highlight to shine brighter, okay, than the shade of orange Donald Trump's foundation is. Okay? So in order for me to achieve the maximum highlight, okay, I love this Ruby Kisses All Over Glow in the shade Flush Glow. If you don't know, girl, you need to get into it, honey. It's the most beautiful rose gold shade in the history of world, and it's the most slept on product of all time. So we're just gonna go ahead and you see the beauty. I don't think you all are seeing this right now, honey. Yes! Yes! Beautiful! Come on! Oh, get into it! I know it's blinding you. I'm so sorry. But I'm really not. Oh my gosh. You weren't ready. And it's too bad. I'm so sorry. If you're looking at this video right now and you met my downfall, this one is for you, bitch. Oh! Real sweater. But once I pop on my lashes, I'll be right back. Now, it's optional to put on lashes. You could really leave it at mascara, but girl, you know I'm extra, so let's do it. She's giving you effortless, she's giving you boyish, she's giving you sexy. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, okay? Turn on your post notifications because I'm like this big on YouTube, okay? and we need all the support we can get. All right. If that's not it, like the video, subscribe, and duh, God bless you. I hope to see you in my next one. The slow-mos, get the slow-mos, get the slow-mos, get the slow-mos, get the slow-mos. 5, 4, 3, 2, I let one go. Yeah. Bye.